Hi everyone, Michael from Bling Tea. Sometimes when you make a smoothie, you want something just a little bit different. And I have got just the ticket. It's an organic masala chai, mango, and banana smoothie, among other things. Incredibly easy to make. Into your blender, you pop 1 cup of cut up mango, 1 banana, and oops, missing a little piece of banana there. And I've got 4 ounces of pre-steeped and cooled organic masala chai tea. It has been double steeped, which means that I've used twice as much tea to make 4 ounces of the masala chai. So just pop that in there. And then we add a teaspoon of flax seeds, 5 ounces of vanilla Greek yogurt. This is going to be incredibly good. And last thing, about 1/4 of a teaspoon, a pinch of ground cinnamon. Then you just pop on the top and give it a good mix. I would mix it for a few minutes. All blended. You have to let a smoothie really blend for a few minutes for all of the ingredients to come together. So we're gonna give our mango masala chai smoothie a little pour into a glass. Oh, it's just so thick and creamy. Okay, let's get a look at this. Can you see it? How bright and yellow and welcoming of a sunny morning. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's lovely. The organic masala chai really gives a kick to the mango and the banana, and the yogurt also helps in here to give it some real smoothness. Hope you give it a try. It's delicious. Hope you give it a try.